we're going to make a hanging loop for a coat. You can make a hanging loop for anything using the same method. This is the simplest method ever. I've got a piece of wool and it's 13 centimeters or about 5 inches long and about 1.5 inch or 4 centimeters wide. So 4 centimeters, 13 centimeters. But you can decide whatever loop you want, hanging loop you want. Just remember that you will have to fold it in 3, right? So make it wide enough and make it long enough to include your seam allowances at the end. Okay, so you can attach it to your garment. We're going to overlock the long edge, one edge of the fabric. I'm going to use red thread, so hopefully you're going to see everything. Done. Right? One long edge overlocked. Trim the threads, we don't need them. And now we're going to fold it in 3 so that the overlocked edge, it doesn't have to be overlocked because we're going to cover stitch, but I prefer when it's overlocked and safe. So we're going to fold it in 3 and press. The raw edge, the raw long edge, the unfinished one, is going to go inside, okay, like that. If you have problems pressing longer pieces of fabric, you can make notches. You can measure that and make notches. One and the other. And you can do that on the other side as well, and it will be easier to press. But it's not a long piece of fabric, really. Okay, so we're going to fold it like that in 3 and press it. And our loop is pressed. Now we're going to cover stitch it in place. We've got our loop overlocked, pressed, folded in 3 and pressed, and we're going to cover stitch it, thus making the hanging loop. So place it in the middle so that, well, more or less the distance between the outer needle and the outer needle, so the right outer needle and the left outer needle, is the same, right? Use your ridges as a guide. I'm using 3 needles because I just like it, but you can use 2 needles wide. And fit down, and let's go. And our hanging loop is done. This is heavyweight boiled wool. The settings are the looper is in the middle, then 3, just slightly lower than 3 on all 3 needles, and differential is on neutral, and the stitch length is 4. The stitch length needs to be longer. And we've got a loop. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Bye!